reached out to by a company called Aokitec. I hope I'm saying that right, about testing out some of their nail brushes for doing nail art. And since, as you may know, I have really been getting into doing my own gel nails and stuff over the past probably, well, 4 or 5 months or so. Well, I started dabbling in it a little after Christmas last year, but then kind of since I've stopped working, have been getting more into it. I thought, well, that sounds fun because I'd like to start doing something more than just a basic, gel nail. And so they sent to me their set of 6 brushes, and this set retails for $10.49 on their site. So I'm going to show you first what it looks like in the package, and there's the company name up there. Look at the colors of the handle. So it comes like that. In this, it's closed up here. So you can take these out. I'm going to pull them out and show them to you real quick. You will end up seeing, I have a little video clip I'm going to show you where I was using, I ended up just using one of the brushes because I don't know what I'm doing. So I am just, starting to learn this stuff and super excited to have these now to be able to try out different things. So there's this one that's more of just a flat kind of brush. We have this one that is a teeny tiny little fine detail, which now I've been watching some videos on some nail art, so I think I'm going to really dabble in some fun stuff for Christmas. This one is also teeny tiny and longer than the other one was. We've got this one that's a flat straight across, where the other one had like a little bit of a dome shape to it. We have this one that is short and flat, it's thin. And then this one actually is the one that I ended up using. And it is a bigger one that goes to like a pointed tip there. And so I love the colors on the ends of these. Let me hold it up again so you can see the colors. So there's the colors on the handles. Super cute, different shapes down at the bottom, as you can see. So really fun. So I was really excited to have these, and I am excited to play with them more, but just wanted to give you guys like a quick little showing of me trying them out for the first time. And so like I said, I just used the one, but I'm pretty happy with the results that I had. And then not only did they originally asked me about trying these out, but they also wanted to send me some of their polishes. So they sent me this awesome, look at the packaging, super cute, a 6-pack of polishes. These are the name of the shade range is Dazzling Night, which I think is fun. So this is what they look like in the box here. So you can see it's a mixture of like burgundy, red kind of colors, then gold and silver glitter. But the top 2 shades up here, so it's a silver glitter on top, then kind of dark reddish brown kind of burgundy glitter, then a more reddish burgundy glitter on the end there. Then down at the bottom there's the like a little more vibrant of a burgundy kind of color, then a deep burgundy, and then the gold glitter. And so that is what I put on my nails. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the little clip here of me just kind of painting my nails a little. You guys, I'm really struggling with camera placement when I'm doing the nail stuff, so I'm still working on that, so please excuse that. I tried to do the best that I could, but it will keep getting better as I figure out the best way to be able to have like my ring light showing, and also with the the camera and the right placement and stuff to be up close, but still be able to see what I'm doing. That's the struggle, being able to see around the camera, that kind of thing. So here's the little clip you can check out and see what I did, and then we'll come back and I will show you the actual manicure on my nails. Okay, first off, the formula was a little thinner than the gel polish that I have typically been using. So that was a little bit of a learning curve, just how to do that. So I did end up doing 3 layers of each shade. And then of course I had to do it in like in layers and phases because of the way that I did the colors. Because on the one nail, I split 2 of the colors, and then so I had to do the one color and cure it, then the other one and cure it, and then doing the glitter line, which you saw me using that brush. So let me pull out that brush again to show you. So this is that brush that I used. It's pink and black ombre kind of, and it's that bigger one there. And then let me show you my manicure I did. Now it's not perfect because I'm not a professional, but I'm getting better and better, and this was my first time trying using something like that, so give me some grace here. But so this is what my manicure turned out like. So as you can see, I did on the thumbs, pointer finger, and then half of this finger and my whole pinky finger, I did that one same like reddish shade. And then I did that more dark burgundy shade that's shimmery, and it's got like kind of a goldish shade to it on those 2 fingers and on half of these 2 fingers. And then the gold line down each of these. And then I did gold around, let me see, around the edges of these 2 fingers here, as you can see. So that is what my manicure ended up looking like, and I actually am very happy with it. It turned out pretty dang good, I think. You guys can let me know what you think. But a little more Christmassy than I was expecting since it's right by Thanksgiving, but that's okay. But good to know that this is like a good Christmassy color scheme for sure with these shades. So if you want something that's like that type of a scheme, color scheme, and again, I could have done silver. And then I showed you in the video which shades I was using where, so that you can get that idea of what is on what finger. And yes, I am very happy. So that kind of gives you an overview of the look of the manicure and the shades in this particular set, which is Dazzling Night. Again, I will have these linked below. They actually gave me a code that you guys can use if you'd like. It is not an affiliate code. It just gives you a percentage off. And so I will link both these brushes, which I cannot wait to use some of these. So now I've seen some really cool things to do, like to make your nails look like presents and just really cute little stuff. So we're definitely going to be playing with these in the future, and I will show you what kind of manicures I end up doing. But I am super excited to use more of these. So those are linked below, and it seems like a really nice price. The brushes are very nice. They're like very well constructed. They're not heavy, but they're heavy like as far as they don't feel cheap. And the bristles, nothing is like goofy, like sticking out strange or anything on any of the bristles. So I am very impressed by the quality of these. And then I had no problems with the polish. I just did 3 coats of each shade to get it to the opacity that I wanted. So that's of course too just a matter of preference for you. So yeah, definitely check out below, and there will be those links and the coupon code if you are interested in using it. And thank you so much to Aokitec for sending these to me. I had a lot of fun doing this manicure and just trying something different with doing the line of you know, the stripes of gold there on the 2 toenails, and then just doing the gold all around the edges of those little pinky fingers. So I cannot wait to play with this more and yeah, just see what I can create. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you're interested in seeing more gel nail stuff, let me know. I do have the video coming that shows you how I remove them as well. So that is coming. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.